Tired of the AI noise? Your workflow, now smarter. Real help, built right in. Get more done, effortlessly. This is Google Workspace with Gemini. Welcome to Help Not Hype, a series showcasing how Google Workspace, enhanced with Gemini, solves real business challenges and delivers concrete value. We're cutting through the AI clutter to bring you real assistance right where you work. Let's introduce you to one of our users and the real-world problem.
I'm Vu, and I'm from Technology. We're always looking for smarter ways to help our sales team learn faster and sell with confidence. Before, our sales team spent 6 hours each week reading documents and asking managers for answers. Learning new products was slow and inefficient. With Google Workspace, using custom gems powered by Gemini and NotebookLM, we automated repetitive tasks and built a searchable knowledge base. NotebookLM acts as a learning assistant, summarizing content from all sources so our team can find answers instantly. And the results have been remarkable. By removing the need for manual document searches, we've cut internal training time from 6 hours down to just 3 hours per week. The accuracy of sales consultations has jumped from 75% to 92% thanks to smarter, faster responses. Our sales team feels more confident, our customers are more satisfied, and internal response time has dropped from about an hour to under 10 minutes.
Ready to transform your workflow? Experience the help, not the hype. Google Workspace, truly helpful AI.